How to fix ChatGPT not working or loading error. In today's video, we will walk through these steps to fix ChatGPT if it's not working or if you're getting that annoying loading error. Whether it's a browser issue, a setting problem, or something else, we have got you covered. First of all, you can refresh the ChatGPT page. For that, click on this icon given at the top left. Repeat this process for a few times. Next, let's clear our browser cache. Start by clicking on the three vertical dots in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, go ahead and click Settings. Then, on the left side, select Privacy and Security and choose Delete Browsing Data. Make sure you have cookies and other site data selected. Select the time range to all time and then click Delete Data. This will clear all the cache data that could be causing issues. Next, let's head over to your extensions. Click on three vertical dots again and select Extensions. From there, simply disable all your extensions by toggling them off. Sometimes browser extensions can interfere with ChatGPT, so this step should help clear up any issues. If it's still not working, try launching ChatGPT in an incognito window. Just click on the three dots again, select New Incognito Window, and open up the ChatGPT website. You might need to log back into your account, but this often solves the problem by isolating it from any browser settings or extensions. Another thing that might be causing problems is a VPN. If you're using one, try disconnecting from it. VPNs can sometimes cause compatibility issues with ChatGPT. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any issues you were having with ChatGPT. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.